Hello friends, I am astrologer Vikas Malhotra and I welcome all of you to my channel. A good career or a sound source of income is most essential and basic requirement for a successful life. Once you are secure with an enjoyable and highly paying job or business, you can easily get the other objectives of your life fulfilled. However, life is not so easy at times. You may face ups and downs in your career or business, and in such cases, I would highly recommend you to take consultation from a professional astrologer so that remedies based on specific astrological combinations in your horoscope and running dasha can be advised to you. There are many people who are associated with us, and for the benefit of all such people, I am sharing 3 tried and tested remedies which are very useful, which have proved to be very useful in achieving success in career or business. What is required is that you should do these remedies continuously and with full devotion. And if you get some benefit of these remedies, you can book a specific consultation so that based on your horoscope combinations, specific remedies can also be suggested to you. If you have not yet subscribed our channel, I would request you to please subscribe this channel and push notification bell also so that whenever a new video is uploaded, you get a notification for it. The first astrological remedy which is very useful for person who is facing problem in career or business is when you get up in the morning, stretch both of your palms in front of your face and glance at them. It is believed that goddess Lakshmi resides at the tip of your fingers. Goddess Saraswati is seated in the middle of your palm, and Lord Govind resides at the base of the palm. Glancing at your palm in the morning lets you worship all these 3 deities and win their blessings for a successful career or business. If it is possible, I would request you to chant this mantra at least 9 times, and if it is possible, do one mala, that is 108 times. It would be best for you. But try to chant this mantra at least 9 times. Mantra is on your screen also. Karagre vaste Lakshmi, Kar madhye Saraswati, कर मूले तू गोविंद, प्रभाते कर darshanam. Recite this mantra 9 times. Second remedies. Crows are believed to be the vehicles of Saturn. Since Saturn rules the aspect of career in your horoscope, and due to natural ownership of 10th house in natural zodiac, you should worship Lord Saturn for a good career. For this purpose, you can offer boiled rice to crows because crows represent Saturn in Lal Kitab. Offer boiled rice to crows, preferably with curd. It will help you in getting blessings of Lord Saturn, and it would give you a good advancement in your career or business also. Third remedy. If it is possible, immediately after sunrise offer water to sun. Try to make it a practice that by maximum 8 o'clock you offer water to sun, and right method to offer water to sun is discussed in one of our videos, which although is in Hindi, but I am sharing link of that video in description also so that you can see that video also. and subscribe our Hindi channel also if you are conversant with Hindi language. Take some water in copper vessel and add some jaggery to it. Stand facing the sun and chant the mantra. Mantra is on your screen also. Om Hreem Suryaye Namah. Chant this mantra at least 11 times and pour the water little by little accompanied by the chanting. Do namaskar and pray sun god for a successful career. These 3 remedies, if these are done with devotion, will give you very good results. And I have told you earlier also, for best results, I would advise you to book a specific phone or personal consultation. You can book consultation at our website also. Links of our websites are given in the description box. If you like this video, please hit like button and share with others also. Thank you, friends.